Hey everybody, it's George Foshin, and I just penned this. Well, I didn't really pen it. Someone is doing a guest blog on my blog site, and it's about do-it-yourself bedroom remodel tips. Now, what's really cool, and here's the point I want to make here: if you are in a local business and you want to pen an article about your business and what your service is about, if it pertains in any way to real estate, let me know because I'd be happy to put your article on my blog site, and I get, gosh, 15,000 views a month uh, uh, through followers and social media and my websites, etc. So this would be a really great way for you to expand your own business and have another avenue to get your ideas out. So this article right here, do-it-yourself bedroom remodel tips, you'll just go to bestpalosverdeshomes.com/blog and then click that, and there you go. And here's a little introduction from the person that did this article for me, and you know, get some tips there for yourself and enjoy the article.